I have two fidget spinners and they're different. Just like colors are different. So, one is plastic and one is metal. Because these metals. We are going to see me do it on my 4D. It's hard without
natural crystal faces and geometric form. An undamaged termination is highly valued by collectors.
This is at least $2,000 in one stone. Look at that termination. Look at that.
Okay. Now we can see me do it on my. Now let's see what the glass one can do.